Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can clean white shoes lace easily with some basic home based method. You can see that we are taking a pan and now we are going to add a glass of water in it. After this you have to heat this water for 2 minutes and then you have to add this shoelaces in this water for around 10 to 15 minutes. You also have to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it. Mix it well and leave it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes you can remove the white shoelaces from the water and you will see that how dirty the water has become, and all the dirt from shoelaces have been approximately removed. Now what you have to do is you have to add this white shoelaces in a bowl of baking soda, and then you have to rub the shoelaces with a brush, or you can also rub it with your hands only. We are showing both methods, both ways to rub it. You have to rub it properly. The baking soda will help to clean it and will make it like a new white shoelaces. You can clearly see that how dirty water has become and all the dirt from the shoelaces have been removed. Now you can let it dry in sunlight. As your white shoelaces have been cleaned up properly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.